Hello guys, we are from Team H. Now we want to present our project, automated testing in Yahoo Mail. This is member from our team. There are Hans Situmeang, Rafelli Simangunsong, Elisa Tinambunan, Yuan Siagian, Hotmangasi Manurung, Rivaldo Silalahi, and Hanna Simarmata. Now I want to explain the cucumber testing demo feature in Yahoo. The first feature is search mail. Is feature to search incoming mail. First, we make the feature file or scenario. Then we make the step definitions and test runner. The next feature is forward email. Feature to forward an email in Yahoo. How to testing it? Testing this is make it scenario, make step definition, make test runner, and we will get the output. The next feature is send email. This is feature to send an email in Yahoo. The steps is makes the scenario, make the step definitions, and make test runner. The next feature is delete file. Is feature in Yahoo to delete an email. We make the scenario, step definition, and test runner same as the other feature. The next feature is send email with CC. This feature is have a function to send an email with CC. Same as with another feature, we make the scenario, make the step definitions, and make test runner.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Hans. Here I will explain about the login feature. Login feature is the main door to enter an application or website. Okay. This slide, we can see the source code of make scenario login. And now we can see how to make step definition of login in step 1 and then step 2. And then we can see source code of test runner. Now we can see console of feature login. And then we finish testing cucumber in login. And we can login to yahoo.com. Thank you.
My name is Yuan Siagian. Now I presented our project Yahoo. Here I explain the cucumber testing demo. I featured edit profile. The edit profile feature in the window in the application website. Step and the first makes a feature file. And the second makes step definition. The third makes it runner. This makes scenario like this. Makes definition step 1 like this. Step 2 test runner, edit profile, and then snapshot.
Hello, my name is Rivaldo. Now I want to explain about the automation cucumber of star email. First one, we must get the scenario. After we get the scenario, we must find the step definition to method to do the automation like this. And then we get the test runner to run the automation. And then console after the running. And then after the running, we get the output when the automation start of the star email. And then I want to explain about the unspam email. First, we must get the scenario. After that, we get the step definition to make this step definition like this. This is a method to do the automation. After we get the step definition, we get the test runner, and then console after running, we get this. After that, we can look at the automation of the unspam email, and then we will get the explanation by my friend. Thank you.
My name is Rafelli Simangunsong. I will explain you logo feature. Use cucumber. The first one, make a scenario. This is scenario of logo. Then make a step definition. This is source code of step of definition. And then make a test runner. This is source code of test runner. Then this is output of logout.
Okay guys, now I will demonstrate how to send email with CCMBCC on Yahoo using Cucumber framework. We can run this step definition by this. We make the feature is send email, glue step definition, and text is with CC. And we right click, run as, and unit as. And here we are, we open and the login section, input username and password, next button, and here we are, we click the mail to direct to mail section, and then we click the button tulis or write, and this is the CC subject and mail body, and we'll click send button, and then the browser is closed, and we open for the second test case. We will log in again, enter username and password, we will go to mail section, and we click the right button again. Tulis answer BCC, and the BCC is invalid, so you to the right, and send button will not work, and it closed the browser. And that's all. Thank you.
Next, I want to explain the feature testing in robot testing demo. The first feature is search mail. The steps is I1. We will make the scenario with this code, and we will get the output like this. The next feature is forward email. The feature to forward an email in Yahoo. The first step is we make the scenario, and we will get output like this. The next feature is send email. The feature to send an email in Yahoo. The first step is make the scenario, and we will get the output like this, and the test log like this. The next feature is delete email. The function feature to have a function to delete an email in Yahoo. The steps is where we make the scenario, and we will get the output like this. Next feature is send email with CC. This feature have a function to send an email with CC. First, we make the scenario, and we will get the output like this, and test log like this. Okay, guys, thank you.
Here I will explain about login feature using robot framework testing. We can see about the scenario of login, and then we can see the test function of login. And the next slide, we can see source code about robot framework testing in login. And then we can run the robot framework of login, and we can see the output of login robot framework testing. Thank you.
I'll explain logout's feature with robot framework. This is scenario of logout, and then this is output the logout feature. Thank you.
Yeah, I explain the robot testing demo. Feature edit profile. I want to make sticker arrow. The second output, make sticker arrow like this. output test like this. Thank you.
Okay, now I will simulate how to automate the testing using robot framework in Mail Yahoo, and we use the send email feature. The first testing, we send email with the valid email address and the valid subject. Now we will do the test. The robot framework will open the browser and then open the Yahoo. After that, we click Masuk button and we input the email address and the password, and we click the Mail button. After that, we click Tulis to do the send email. After that, we input the email address, subject, and the message, and we click Kirim, and the message will be sent. After that, browser will close directly by itself. And this is the second test. Now we will do the test. Run test. The robot framework will open the browser and open Yahoo. And we click Masuk button. And we input the email address and the password. After that, we click Mail. And we click the Tulis button. We input the email address and the message without subject. If we click Kirim, there will be a notification Anda ingin mengirim pesan tanpa judul, and we click the Kirim button. And the message will be sent. After that, browser will close directly by itself. That's all about robot framework in Yahoo Mail. Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's all about our presentations. Thank you for your attention.